Mic is working as well. Nice. There you go. I think music can go a bit low. Yeah, -40 for the music is nice. Okay. Let's go. So okay, for now I will ignore all the messages happening there. I will do my thing and then move on to my own agenda. There we go. So my screen should be blurred. Very nice. Okay. I can live with this. Let's go. Looks nice. Thing is, I need to enjoy myself while doing everything. Okay, something weird is going on. What's happening? Skip. I don't understand. All of a sudden. Okay, I will close this because Brave has why? This is very weird, man. Mm. 80% CPU for what? Because of the OBS? That is... OBS is desktop window manager. What the fuck is that? No idea, man. Okay, never mind. Let's continue. So it is 10:45. So what I'm gonna do first is to pull in the pull request. This is very weird, man. Let's put everything. There. Can check out this one. So this was the thing, and the other one was. Okay, let me do it. Come on, you need to stop now. I swear, this is the first time I'm seeing this. What the fuck is desktop window manager? What the hell is desktop window manager? Fuck, okay. Wait, so if I open two Brave browsers and put them side by side, suddenly desktop window manager had to process that like a lot? What is ROG live service? Come on. Okay, now we are good. Nope. Okay. Hmm. Did it in one location but not the other? Hmm. Yazdığım şeyi aynen yapacaktın. Niye yapmıyorsun ya? Sometimes it is too hard. I don't understand what's happening with my computer here. Suddenly it's getting a lot of CPU usage, like 77. Oh, so VSL is okay, WSL is going bonkers. That is the problem. Interesting. Why? Because do I have all these tabs open? Is it because of the extensions? I don't think so. No idea. Do you know there is a comment now? I'm gonna put more comments in. Where is the Twitch comment? Twitch doesn't respond? Why? Anyway, so there's that. So I asked her to do something, but she did not understand what I asked. But things, she resolved it anyway. I need to test it. Because honestly I can't follow the logic. This one looks fine, so she did change it. Anyway, okay, let's see. So I need to find the key now. New value. Okay, we need this value here. Copy. I'm gonna put it here. Let's see if we will be able to get it running. I hate this WSL problem. Lightning service? What the fuck is lightning service? Okay, looks like everything is working. Well, that is something. Now if I select this thing, that goes away. Looks fine. Looks fine. I think it is fine. So if that is something we don't filter at all, that means that, yeah. And then here, okay. Like for example, okay, I think this works. What was the other thing? I'm so distracted because of this CPU usage. Ah, that thing. Okay, so let's check that one as well. So if is this thing. Let's go like this. And then we show the thing, yeah. And that was okay. Other times it just shows. Okay. I'm gonna commit this. Push. You can do that. And then approve and then merge and then move my bench. VMM WSL and OBS Studio 30% processing. Why? It shows very minimal here. I really don't follow. Let's see. Oh, no, okay. That's too good to be true. Okay. What do we have? So I have it here. Select left, select right. That is easy. Continue rebase. Nice. Okay. Let's push. Coolio. What should I put here? Okay, I will test my branch as well. This looks fine so far. This looks fine. So payload was fine. This is fine, but where did it go? Ah. Okay. So far so good. And if we change it, so far so good. Nice. Let's check our validations. Okay. Nice. I am happy with this. Weather. So this is 9 to 10 a.m. 9, 10. Next one is 7. Cool. The same. Okay. I think it is fine. What else? Okay. I think they are all good. Very, very interesting. Okay. Never mind, I'm closing this. I will open the PR and then move on. Visual and Okay, I think this is fine. I think we can move to the game dev business. 12, okay. Okay, this is bullshit. Okay. Okay, back to, so this can go and this can go like this, and we can switch to game dev. Oh yeah. So my plan for today is to do some planning on my game. Maybe like starting a game design document. I have some notes. I have some proto game design document, and I have a lot of notes, so I will work on those. What's happening there? Okay. Get this over here. Nope. Okay, this cannot get any smaller. Interesting. I guess I can leave it like this. So what I wanna do is I wanna build a prototype. First area, I wouldn't say a level, first area, which will be, okay, so maybe I can draw my vision like this. So my vision would be a 3D platformer kind of stuff. So let's say like this. Wait, maybe I don't need the, yeah, why not? So I'm thinking maybe, let's say on this wall we have the wall, right? And then it will be black. So we can, I don't yet have any kind of visual stuff about anything. So let's say there is some hazard basically that would kill the player. Okay, so let's say our robot friend wakes up here, right? This is our robot friend. I'm gonna make his arms blue, so he has arms like this. Okay, and then immediately on the vicinity we will have a blueprint kind of thing. So this is a blueprint. Of a robot, and this is the robot, which is the PC, so player controller, player character, and this is the blueprint for it. And also in this world, basically in the game, there will be stations, there will be places where so it will be a 3D printer where you can print whatever you have as a blueprint. So you feed the blueprint into the printer, and then it spits out what is in the blueprint, something like that. That is my vision about a game mechanic, and these blueprints will be collectible. So you will have a collection of things. The other thing for the blueprints will be these arms. So if we robot will have changeable arms, and there will be blueprint for them as well. There will be two ways to get a blueprint. Either you find it, so first find, or so backwards engineering. How does it called? It is called something, but not backwards engineering. Back engineering. No, reverse engineering. Yeah. Either you can reverse engineer. So that means you find the actual arm, for example, and then you destroy it to reverse engineer and create the blueprint yourself. So it is basically like the D&D 5e D&D rule, where if you find a scroll as a wizard scroll, yeah, if you find a scroll as a wizard, you can copy it on your spellbook or something. I think it doesn't destroy the scroll, but anyway, yeah, that is the basic, that is it. So anyway, there will be the blueprint. If you don't pick it up, and if you try to, let's say, so let's say there is a door here, and and then you go and try to leave the room, there will be a hazard maybe on the next screen, and you will die. So and if you didn't pick up the blueprint, that will be the game over. So player will learn that because there is no blueprint of a robot, and you cannot print it again. So that will be like an immediate game over for good, permadeath. But if you pick up the blueprint, and if you leave the room, you will die. But then, since there was a blueprint, we will have maybe a dormant 3D printer here, like this one, and then it will pop out any robot. And then you will learn that, okay, so now I know why a blueprint is necessary, and I know I can die, so how can I avoid it, or something like that. So this will be the first thing I'm gonna do. Yeah, can I take a screenshot of this? Because this looks nice. Okay, then I guess I can create a Notion page for my notes and everything. I will move this away for now. Open it here. So let's say can I get a new page here? Yeah. Okay, so something like this. Here I will say notes. I will put my nice little sketch here. So what does it tell me? First, let's say heading 1. So I will say first scene. Do you call it first scene? Opening area, first area, yeah, first area level. Should be very minimal, clutter free. Players should not feel overwhelmed. There shouldn't be a lot of things to, react, wonder if this is something that I can pick up or interact. There shouldn't be any distractions. So it will be like why do you want to do that? Okay, I wanna press this once, just in case. Yeah. So, all your help and love and support means a lot to me. But anyway, so first area, we should be a very minimal clutter-free area. We should build that, and then there will be like not lit, so it shouldn't get any attention. 3D printer in the corner. The corner somewhere, and our PC robot will wake up. Yeah, the first one will wake up, so yeah. In the vicinity there will be a pickable blueprint of a robot. How do you make a code here? No, not code. So inline code. Is there an inline code? No. Not callout, not code, not divider. It's a basic markup. Come on. I guess not. Right. So maybe it's let's say blueprint of a robot, and then I select this. This one. Okay, there we go. And there will be a door to exit. So in this area, player can test movement, also maybe using the arms. You know what? We can give one arm. One arm. So this robot will only have one arm to make it easy. Robot will wake up. It will only have one arm instead of two. Yeah. Sayılır ha. Şunu I'll be back in a minute. That is so weird, man. Okay, this happens. I'm back now. Okay, anyway, sorry for that. I was distracted by my wife. Anyway, we'll move on. So where were we? Oh, I need to put my screen back on. And where's my chat? Hello, welcome. Nice, a chatter. Welcome, welcome. So what else? Player can test movement controls and maybe using an arm and using the utility arms. Let's say we can make them left click, right click. I'm not sure for now. And I should also keep on start thinking about the controller. Yeah. Why does because it is right now doesn't fully functioning. This is the starting area, first area when you know when the screen goes on when you start new game, and this is the first thing you see. This is how I am envisioning. So basically it will be like you wake up, there will be an you will be in a desolate place, not tended for quite long time, and the robot doesn't have any idea what's going on, player as well. So we will explore together. So player's knowledge will not be more than the player character's knowledge. They will gradually and together increase. We will see. I want the story to mean something, but also there should be, I want there to be a lot of environmental storytelling, so I don't want to rely heavily on the reading material, reading on screen stuff, vice versa. Yeah, anyway, so that is why. So normally on a fully functioning machine, fully functioning robot, it should have 2 arms, obviously. Yeah, not obviously, but why not? But for our starting PC, it will only have 1 arm, and the other one will be broken perhaps, so we will say it will be a half broken with some wires coming out of it, and yeah, something like that, and only one of them will work. And so let me go through it again. In this, the first area will be very small, very minimalistic. Player can move around like the tutorial areas in all games. And then there will be a blueprint of a robot, the same one. There will be no direction or no screen message telling you to pick up the blueprint or something, so you can either pick it up or not. But if player does not pick it up and tries to leave the room, maybe on the next screen we will switch to a new level, and then there will be the first enemy, for example, and it will kill the robot, and then it will be game over. So player will go back to the main menu, and then maybe a bit puzzled, maybe doesn't understand why the game ended. It was game over. Anyway, start new game, end up in the same room, but this time hopefully they will think about picking up the blueprint, and if they pick up the blueprint and leave and maybe die again. So yeah, okay, so we need to, I'm thinking about the Bloodborne. So there is the wolf and it kills you, so you have to die there. But obviously, like speedrunners and very mechanically mastered people can beat that werewolf with their fists. It is not important. The context is there's a boss, there's a mob that kills you, but people with enough skill can kill that with their bare fists, without any weapon. So yeah, I'm thinking something like that. So maybe they should avoid, and but anyway, after they pick up the blueprint, if they die, they will get resurrected by this 3D printer on the first area. This 3D printer can print blueprints, basically, and that will be the second mechanic of the game. People will learn, player will learn without any text on the screen, without any tutorial text on the screen. So this is how I am imagining. But anyway, yeah. So if we continue with our notes here, player can, yeah, utility arm, and then we will say, and I never played Bloodborne, but I watched people play it. I don't like Souls games. Yeah. Anyway, consider subscribing if you haven't already. I would appreciate that a lot, and it would help me a lot. So I need a lot of help with watch times, viewerships, exposure. So anyway, just wanted to say it. Yeah, so then eventually player wants to leave the room, right? In the next room there will be a danger, a mob, or an environmental hazard, let's say, and player will, without much choice, will die. If they did not pick up the blueprint in the first area, game over. If they picked it up, 3D printer in the corner will lit up and print another robot. So this is how we present, how we keep the roguelike element of the game. You die, you get printed. Another robot will be printed. And maybe everything of the robot, everything we do on our run will be uploaded to a mainframe, and then when a new robot is printed, it gets the old memories. That is the mechanism. That is the yeah. So why not? Okay. Anyway, eventually, hopefully. No. So this, yeah, that is our first area and first challenge. So this is what I'm gonna build. Okay. Now let's go create a new project and start doing something. And the robot 3D print a new arm. Yeah, yeah. That is another thing. So I think there will also be blueprints for many things in the game, and utility arms also will have blueprints, or you can create blueprints yourself. So when you are exploring, when you are going through the levels, there will be either, so let's say you will either find a blueprint, let's say this is the blueprint, or you will find the item itself. So let's say you find a utility arm like this, I'm not sure. So let's say this is like a poking arm. I don't know. So this is a arm for the robot. So you either find this thing or this thing. If you find this one, you can choose to use it, either use it, but if you die while you are using it and you don't have the blueprint, it goes forever. So there will be some cost to using it. Or you can reverse engineer, meaning you can destroy this, so this item gets destroyed, but you end up with a blueprint of it. So that means the choice is to either use it in the current run or give up the option to use it in the current run, but instead have the blueprint for everything, for every iteration, every run after that. I think I'm thinking like they will have, so if we say this is our robot from the front, they will have one arm here, one arm here, and then they can so let's say they can get another 2 switch, so they will have 2 like ready and 1 switchable. So every run they start with 3, 2 are ready to use at all times. Yeah, but every run you will only get to choose 3 of them. So if you build like a deck of 10 arms, 12 arms, whatever, you get to use only 3 of them at each run. And depending on the levels, you will strategically decide to choose what arm you wanna pick. Does that make sense? Because I'm thinking, since we have, okay, I will get a screenshot of this as well, and I will build a nice collection of these screenshots. So what I wanna do is traversing the environment. The levels will require some challenges and it will be like puzzles perhaps, so you will get to be creative with the arms. Not sure how yet, but yeah. Anyway, I think we can say this is like a good enough challenge for me, since I need to figure out everything on the fly, on the go. Maybe or maybe not, I'm not sure. So you have your constraints, everything basically happens the same way. I mean, every solution, you get a set of constraints and you get a set of assumptions, and then you work with that to create a solution. Yeah, we will figure it out, I'm sure. Anyway, so for today's I will call this Sage, because why not? I'm gonna put this here. Go to my projects, Where is it? GODOT projects. Okay. So here, let's create a folder for Sage. Select the current folder. So I'm calling this Sage for now as a work in progress title. Sage is the robot's designation, and it means small and agile how did I call it? Sage G E. I will find it somewhere. I don't know where I put this, but I have note of this. So this is like SAGE, so meaning small and agile ground something like that. I don't remember. I will find it out. Find it somewhere. Anyway, so we are here creating the project. First things first is to get some 3D tile assets for this, and I wanna do it here. And by the way, I have this comment if you wanna check it out. I started building a bot. If you say .prj or what's it called? Exclamation mark project or exclamation mark prj, it replies you with something. that is nice. I need to head out. Have fun programming. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, please. And nice to see you. Nice that you dropped by. Yeah. Take care. Anyway, what else? So I was going to follow. I found this games from scratch. Yeah. So I will do this. I will find me some Unity asset from. I'm thinking about Kenny's 3D tile set. One of these to build me a prototype level. So 3D. Maybe this one. This one looks nice. Or graveyard platformer kit, so maybe this one. Nature, space also looks good, so maybe it's space one. Furniture. Yeah, one of them. Tower defense. Tower defense looks interesting as well. I think platformer kit is the nicest one, or not the nicest but the most useful, because I think it gives you like everything. This one is very small. This one has 20 assets, 140 tower defense. There are archways, there are buildings. I don't see any wall-like structures here. Maybe that is normal, right? That is something for later. Okay. Okay, let's start with this one, actually. Yeah. It has some variations. But this is also very cool. Okay, let's start with this one. I will take a quick break and then come back. Nature. So let's get this one. Today we are okay, so let's see. Unidot importer works the best. Okay, let's get that one. Import Unity package or other assets designed for Unity as GD script add-on. Okay. How do we do it? Should be imported add-ons in this project, such as using GitHub Subway. There was also this thing. What is the other one? FBX to GLTF. Okay. These stupid fucks. They keep calling me. Türksel ya da şey. Türksel 724 0724 kimse on işte. İş Bankası. Okay, anyway, I get a lot of distractions today. Let's go. Okay, let's start with this one. What happened? What's happening here? Come on. I think I need this distributable here. What does it need? Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Okay, let's get that. I mean, looking at the chat is important, but also following the viewer counts is counterproductive. It doesn't help. Definitely. I have a plan. I am a man with a plan, and I'm doing it. That is the productive attitude. No, I don't want to restart. What the hell? How do I install this? Do I put it somewhere? FBX to GLTF. There was something around here. FBX importer. Okay, let's put this thing. I think this is the executable. So let's keep this executable Let's get this folder all together to GODOT, like here. Why not? Close F GODOT this thing. Confirm pet. Okay, I have it. Now what? Now we were doing this thing. Okay, installation should be imported at add-ons unit.importer in the project. Hello, welcome back. I'm fine, how are you? I'm trying to, you know, grow into this persona of a game dev and streamer and builder of things in public. Yeah, I remember. Welcome back. Okay, I'm just gonna get the zip here. Or do I get the release? Oh, it is a zip source code as well. Okay, so we get this. Importer main. Okay. Runtime anim3.gd. So the runtime should be there. Should be kept, even if the rest of the unit is removed. No worries. How was your exams? I should be the persistent one and the consistent one and reliable one, not you, not the viewers. Good to hear that your exams are fine. Nice. Congrats. So I will put it there, I guess. Here. Can I get a file manager for this? Right. So we have this here. It should be a new folder of add-ons, and then we will get this into this project folder and rename it to be unit._importer. Enable it in the project settings, plugins tab, project settings. Where is it? Plugins. Yeah. Enable. Okay, enabled. Unit requires an installation. Okay, we did that. Install this. I don't need that. Access the importer through project tools import. Okay. Tools import Unity package. Okay, let's try. What's happening? What is your job? I am a software developer. Or I am a developer. Yeah, I'm a software developer. Yeah. Up until now I still do web development, but now I also do game development, and eventually I wanna do full-time game development and nothing else. Yeah. Anyway, so now we have our platformer kit things here. Okay. Platformer kit. Closed. It feels like I don't need the platform. This thing. Let's see how does it work. I'm enough to get me by and support my family. The rest would be too much detail, in my opinion. It works for me. And it depends on a lot of stuff also. I think I should just put them into okay, I'm gonna say not former tile assets or something like that. And then maybe I can put all of this into here. Let's see what happens. I'm not sure. Nice, I see a like. Thank you very much. I'm gonna put this here also, shamelessly. Oh, look at that. So arrow, barrel, nice. Okay, I like this. Blocker. Okay, now we put all of them into the scene. Then from that scene we create a new 3D scene, and in this one we put everything like this, right? And then how was it? There was a way to do it. Yeah, this one is not the one I need now. GODOT. I need to go to GODOT. Tile set. Not 2D but 3D procedural geometry. Not a procedural geometry. What was it? Map. Grid map. Grid map? Not for 3D tile based maps. Mesh library. New mesh library. I want to remove it. Where is it? Delete. So I have this. Now I want to create a mesh library from this thing. Scene. Save scene as. Can I do a mesh library? Or wait. Yeah, I think. Meshes. Let's say meshes. Why not? Okay, now we have the meshes. Now here, does it work like that? I'm not sure. We will find out. I'll say grid map or a mesh library. I'm gonna say trace mesh lib or res. I can't select it. Using grid maps here. Similar to tile map, you start with a predefined 3D meshes. Creating a mesh library. To begin, you need a mesh library, which is a collection of individual meshes. Mesh instance 3D, not children. Convert to mesh library. Okay, so we did good so far. We have this. And now, what was it? Here. To each mesh. Okay, they're all meshes. Which is... Can I... Where was that convert tool? Export as mesh library. Let's try. worked. Okay. Okay, it worked. Oh, I'm so happy right now. But I don't think they have collision. I don't know if they have collision. Can we go do this? If I put this thing here. Oh, nice. Wait, what happens? Nice. So if I just drop something here, 3D character controller, character body 3D, yeah. Let's drop this. And now I wanna add a mesh instance 3D. Mesh will be a capsule, right? Oh, this is too big. But anyway, I just want to see if it collides or not. And then collision body, collision shape 3D. Wait. Mesh instance, you as well, 0, 0, 0. Collision shape again 0, 0, 0, and now I can move you like 3 meters high, 2 meters, 2 meters in the X direction, right? You are touching, so let's say 3.5. Yeah, let's do it like that. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so now this one will be a capsule, exactly filling that thing. Nice. Put some directional light to the scene and the camera to the scene. The camera needs to go this way and this way. Like this. Save main. Okay, why is nothing happening? We have a character body. Project. General. Physics. 3D. Default gravity. Right. Maybe I should attach a script. Default script. Right. Save it. Run it again. Okay, there is no collision. Let's add a collision to our meshes. How do I add collision? There was something about something. So if we go here, where is that? Where is the mesh menu? Open. How do I open this? Mesh library. I don't understand. I don't. What is this? I have no idea what I'm doing right now. So I have this grid map. I put a physics material, friction, bounce, whatever. Collision. I put a collision on layer 1. But they don't have a collision shape. That is the problem. And this mesh library So I need to add so this is a node 3D. I need to add mesh or collision or static. Yeah, static body to this thing. Not static body. Wait, what do I need to add? Collision shape. I need to add a collision shape. So I need to do kick band from Turkey. Really? Why? When that happened? Twitch is better anyway. I mean, kick is comparably provides same quality of stream to the viewers, also to the streamers, but for some reason, and it had spent a lot of money and couldn't get the traction that it should have. So yeah, I can imagine. Only we can make the only we can get profits from gambling. That is the idea. What am I trying here? Let's say if I search multi-stream to Twitch and YouTube, that is the way to go. And TikTok. But maybe for your... Yeah, it's 3D. It is an asset pack from Kenny. This guy like gives so much to the game developers, game development community. But I don't... Oh, maybe he does have a... So let's see. Yeah, I need to check that. He has GODOT. Let's go. Copy models to your project folder. If there's a texture folder, make sure to copy that too. That's it. Okay. So yeah, it works by the way, but I don't... I need to make this somehow automated. Somehow I need to that is the issue. They are all meshes, but they are all they are all as scenes. They shouldn't be. Re-import. I don't want it to be a scene. That is the problem. Now I understand. I want them as meshes. I want to get the meshes, just the meshes. So let's remove everything here. Okay, can we GLB? Okay, we have the GLTF and we put them here and they are scenes. Open the scene. Yeah, that's it. New inherited scene. Or I shouldn't put them like that, maybe. Maybe I should put them... Does it work? No? Does it work like this? No? No. Open scene. What happened now? Okay, something is happening, I think. Should I select everything? Can I select everything? I am so torn right now. Meshes. Should I? I want to have meshes. Select all the cubes, GLB files, clicked, scene, convert to mesh library. Re-import them with extracted meshes. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna delete everything. Okay. So let's say scene. Is there an import with more perhaps? Okay, there is none. So Kenny tells us to use like this, but it is importing as a scene. I don't want it to be imported as each individual scenes. I want the meshes. That doesn't work for me. No. They are all scenes now. Open scenes. What the hell? Okay, this is too much. I have no idea, man. Let's say, how does this work? I don't know. Tile set assets. Okay, we have this one. So now what? Let's try this. Re-importing assets. They are objects now. And Okay, close. I will delete this now. I will delete this one as well. So this grid map doesn't have anything. I'm gonna delete this as well. Now I'm gonna create a new node. I'm gonna put everything here into the node. Right, they are all meshes now. Yeah, now it is working. Okay. Not this one, not, yeah. You can manually assign a static body and collision shape to each mesh. Alternatively, you can use the mesh menu to automatically create collision body based on mesh data. Okay, so what do I do? If I don't select anything, nothing shows up. Can I select everything? Mesh static body. Static body and collision shape to each mesh. There it is. There it is. Okay. Cool. I think this is what we wanted. Then we are going to now we want to scene export as a mesh library. Yeah, like this, like this, like this. Open. Nice. And I have the mesh library now. Now if I go to the main and create a grid map, here as a mesh library I put this thing here. Nice. Let's put some stuff on the ground. Right. Can I do like... Anyway, let's see. Fingers crossed. Cool. Okay. But we cannot move because I don't have the movement on the buttons. Nice. Okay. This is already too much progress. Fall down. Nice. Okay. I'm so happy right now. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. I have a meeting in 15 minutes. I will get some rest. I will collect myself, but this was a good session overall. I spent almost 3 hours on stream, which is very nice, very cool. I also experimented. I tried to work on contract on stream as well, with my screen all blurred and everything. I think I can do this regularly, like on daily basis, which is cool, which I wanna do. I wanna be more present and be here. Whenever you wake up, you wanna put some music, some background music, and I can do ASMR as well if that is something you would like. So anyway, yeah, I think I will see you tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the day after that. Until then, take care and bye.